Ma'am,
Yes.
can't we take symmetry or exponents and powers?
Yeah, we can start with symmetry as well. Okay, do you want to people start with symmetry?
Yes, ma'am. That's easy.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's just start with symmetry then. I just need to complete the syllabus anyhow. So till when you people will get the syllabus? Any idea? Any one of you?
Ma'am, once the school reopens, then I think we'll get the syllabus.
Oh, okay. So let's just quickly start with a new chapter today, symmetry, which is very, very like one, you can say one of the easiest chapter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So giving you the visual of symmetry. Symmetry is basically like dividing the parts into two equal parts. For example, this is a butterfly. Okay. Yes. What I did the symmetry here. Like I just divided into two equal parts. Right here on left hand side also on right hand side it is equal. For example, this circle. I can divide it like this. Two equal parts. I can divide it like this. Two equal parts. Right. This is called symmetry. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what's the chapter number?
Chapter number is 14. It can vary in your books, but it is in NCERT, it's 14. Okay. I hope it's very clear to everybody.
Yes,
Right? Symmetry
Yes,
part
ma'am.
is clear. Right? Now we will do some,
yes, ma'am.
like it's not always one symmetry. It is always a differentiation symmetry, like 3-line symmetry, 4-line symmetry, like that. So let's just see how it goes. Okay. You will always not find the only single symmetry that, ma'am, okay, we divided into two equal parts. No. Okay. So here you go. You can see this 3-line symmetry in an equilateral triangle. Square 4-line symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am getting the triangle and its properties, chapter number 6.
You are getting that in exam.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Oh,
1 to 6, all the chapters I am getting.
okay. So students, let's just get back to that. I can't help it. Because if a man is getting, I need to teach it because that was not in the syllabus. But okay, so sorry.
Ma'am, the triangle and its properties.
Okay. Okay, so let's just start with the triangle chapter, student. Okay, because I can't help it if Aman is getting, we have to start.
Ma'am, but I
Okay,
feel so sorry, ma'am, that I disturbed the class.
no problem. I was asking you why you were not responding at that time.
Oh, no, ma'am, I was checking.
Okay, okay, we're checking. Okay, so those who got excited, let's just get back to triangles. Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Because, hmm,
I was absent the last class, so I don't know if the triangle.
okay, you didn't know. So now you have to be here in the class. I'll try to give you a recap because
Okay, ma'am.
we already made the notes, so I can't help it
Ma'am,
out.
simple equation has been started in my school.
Simple equation we finished, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that doesn't matter, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, which
Ma'am,
after
I
this,
know. Ma'am, today, ma'am, sir gave us some of the questions and we had to write it in statements, and ma'am, I did it.
so you have to this time you have to score well. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so let's just get started, students. Okay. Okay, so now let's just get started. Now over here, I have already taught you everything about triangles, like types of triangles, median, altitudes, and all that. Right. So in this, you have to just look at the screen and answer it. PM is what? PD is what? If QM and MR are equal, this QM and MR, they are equal. Why they are equal? Right? Quickly do this in your notebook and then we'll discuss the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Well, ma'am, sometimes I was not present in this my class when you started this chapter. So, ma'am, I might need a backup class.
For which
Ma'am, this chapter 6th.
triangles? I just started this chapter only.
Yes, ma'am, I know that, but ma'am, sometimes ma'am, my network doesn't work, and ma'am,
Okay.
even though
So
it's
at that time, you can
though
first
you had
prefer
done
the
it, ma'am,
recording.
I just want to make sure, ma'am.
Yeah, first prefer the recording, and even after watching the recording, if you didn't get it, and then I'm here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but what day did you start it, ma'am? Then only I will ask for the recording.
Sorry.
Ma'am, what day did you start this exercise? Or ma'am, shall I ask my counselor for all of the recordings of
You
this
can just
chapter?
mention them the date. That for this particular date, please share it. So whenever you don't have a good network, just write down in a notebook that this date I didn't have a good network. So once you get free, you can ask them. Okay. Don't you have to give them the dates, not the topic, because they don't know na, which topic I taught. So you have to give them the dates. So just give them the dates and the day.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I might also need a backup class for the fifth chapter, ma'am.
You have to mention it to them.
Yes, ma'am, just to make it sure, ma'am, that I don't mess up there. And ma'am, even though lines and angles is clear to me, while ma'am, I do minor mistakes in integers, so probably I would take it for integers.
Okay. So you just let me know. You have to just mention it to them that whatever you need.
Now I finished.
Okay, everybody finished? Should we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so PM over here. What is PM? Who will
Altitude.
tell me? PM is altitude.
Altitude.
Right. Yes, because you can say 90 degrees, so this is altitude. Okay. Now PD is, who will answer me, Minisha? PD is? PD is?
Straight angle.
Angle. From where you got angle? This line, how can this be angle? Manisha. Okay, Ananya.
Median.
Yes. PD is median. Priyanka. Sorry. Manisha, what happened? I told you, the lines which start from a vertex and meet an opposite line, either it will be your median or it will be altitude. If it is 90 degree, it will be altitude. If it is not 90 degree and joining the center, it will be median. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, this QM and MR, they are equal. Is it?
Ma'am, because both of them are right angle.
Huh? They are
Ma'am,
not
because both of
equal.
them are right angle.
Aman, they are. Is they equal? Just by looking at the screen, can you see, are they equal? So the answer would be no,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
are
They
you
are not
talking
equal.
about the line, ma'am, or the angle?
I'm talking of this one. I'm talking about the third question.
Because angle wise, ma'am, if I write, ma'am, they both are equal like
But
this,
who
ma'am.
said you angle? Have I mentioned here angle? I've mentioned QM, the
Ma'am, then
line.
how will we know, ma'am, what they written?
Aman, if they will ask angle, they will write it like this. PMQ is equals to PMR like this. But they have written QM. That means they are asking about line. Angle, they will always make a sign.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
sign for angle. So over here
Yes,
you
ma'am,
can
I
see
know that. I
QM.
just got confused.
QM and MR, they are not equal. In case if I would have asked QD is equals to DR, then the answer would be yes. Because D is the median, na? Middle point. So this is the answer is no. Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Others? Only one yes. What about others? Not getting it?
No,
Okay. Now coming to the next one. Hepzibah, Manisha.
ma'am, I did not get it.
You didn't get it? Who didn't get it?
Yes,
Who didn't get it?
ma'am.
Huh?
I didn't. Hepzibah.
Hepzibah, you didn't get it?
No.
Okay. So see, over here, of course, you have not done the notes, so it will be a little bit difficult. Okay, Hepzibah, you also just watch the recording once. Okay? Clear? Clear? Okay, Hepzibah, she has a network issue, I guess. Okay. Now this one, you have to draw the rough sketch of all this. Okay, quickly do it.
Hello.
Yes, Hepzibah, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to also watch the recording. But the thing which I'll just give you a hint about this. Okay. For example, this is a triangle. These are the vertex like P, Q, R. They are the vertex. Right. So any line which passes through a vertex, which comes from a vertex, and it meet the third side, which is this. Okay. So if it is joining the middle point, this one, then this is called median. This line is a median. Okay, but if it is joining any point and it is making 90 degree, then this line is called altitude. So over here, this PM is making 90 degree here. So that's why it is altitude, and the PD is basically joining the middle point. That is, it's a median. Clear?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am. Okay.
Median always divide a side of a triangle into two equal parts. And the third question they have asked, this QM is equals to MR. So this M is the median. Median point? No, ma'am. D is the median point. So the answer was no, ma'am. It is not dividing it into two equal parts because M is basically forming the altitude. So altitude never divides into two equal parts. Only the median divides. And which point is for median? D. So the answer was no. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one, you people will draw this rough sketch of this. Then I will also draw the rough sketch and let's see how it goes. Good evening, Dida. Why you joined so late? Okay, done everybody?
No, I'm doing the last one.
Okay.
Ma'am, could you explain what to do?
Ma'am, I did it, but I didn't understand the third one.
Okay, no problem. I'll do it.
Ma'am, is this the second exercise from all the notes?
Sorry, Rita.
Is this the second exercise from
I
all
will
the
do.
notes?
I didn't get your point. The second one, what? In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitude of those triangles. What happened? Easy.
Ma'am, but I don't understand.
Okay, let me just draw it for everybody. Okay. So the first one is in a triangle A, B, C. B is the median. So you can make it like this. It will go here and this E. You can even make it like this. B, A and C. Then it will come here in middle and E. It's your choice how do you make. Okay. Now triangle PQR. Okay. This is a triangle. You will name it PQR. Okay. Over here there is two altitudes. So automatically it will be a right angle triangle. Okay. This is your triangle. P, Q and R. Yes. Over here, PQ is an altitude. Yes. You can see this one. This PQ is also an altitude and this PR is also an altitude. Clear everybody? Yes?
ma'am.
Okay. Now the next one in triangle XYZ. Okay. So you'll make a triangle and it's like XYZ. It's very simple. X, Y and Z. Okay. Okay. We'll make it like this. Like this. Okay, X, Y, Z. And over here, L is the altitude. So this one would be right angle here and this will be L. So basically it is like this. Okay. This Y and this is X, Y, Z. This is a triangle, right? And this L1 is YL basically is a 90 degree. Clear? This one will be straight. Fine, everybody? Can you see it?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
straight now. This is altitude here, 90 degree. And this one, you will make a line here, this Z. This is X, Y, Z. This is a triangle and this one is the altitude. Fine with everybody? Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
so quickly note it down. Then I'll give you the next one. Just quickly remind yourself the exterior angle property and then you will find the exterior angle property question.
I just want to write the question.
Sorry?
I want to write the questions.
You have to write it down.
Yeah, I want to write the questions. The
No.
ABs.
I think it is on your book. Now just write the part 6.1 question number second line. If you have the book. Quickly do it, then we'll move to the next part.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. So in the first one, you wrote like A, B, and E and C. It's straight, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Huh?
wrote it like this.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
You
I
can
wrote
make it like this
this.
as well. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I did it here, na? You can see
Okay, ma'am.
Minisha. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
You can make it anyway.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so altitude should always like be in a straight line.
Because it makes 90 degree. It's not a straight line. It should make 90 degree. That's it. Okay. It should. Over here, if it is written like this and it is written 90 degree, that means it is an altitude.
Okay, ma'am. Can we write it like this?
But where is your 90 degree? If you will not mention 90 degree, that means it is not an altitude.
Okay, ma'am.
Usually. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody finished? Okay. Now coming to the next one, the exterior angle property, which we say. Okay. I'll just quickly remind you for the exterior angle property. Okay. Exterior angle property. So it says, for example, this is a triangle. There's something like, for example, this. It will be equals to the sum of the opposite sides. So that means angle X would be equals to angle A plus angle B. This is called exterior angle property. Fine. Hepzibah, Rida, is it clear? So exterior, any angle which is outside, it is equals to the sum of the opposite sides of inside angle. That is called exterior angle property. Fine.
Okay.
So in this case, you have to find the value this. The X. Exterior angle is also given A and B. Okay, quickly find it up, everybody.
Ma'am, in here 110 degrees is exterior, right? So we
You
have
have to find, you have to bring it here and there.
half, so like we have to do x equals 110 plus 50.
50 plus X equals to 110. Then find the value of X.
Ma'am, I finished.
Correct, Ananya. Good. Correct, Apsara. Good.
Ma'am, we have to nothing.
Yes, somebody has some doubt. Okay. So Ananya and Hepzibah got the correct answer. What about Rida, Aman, Manisha, and Suleiman? You people got the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's
Huh?
160 degrees.
It's
160 degrees, right?
160. No. Okay. Suleiman and Manisha, Aman. Suleiman, Manisha, and Aman, you people got the answer? Yes. What is the answer, Suleiman? What? Yes. What is the answer for this? Aman and Manisha, can you people hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aman, I can't hear you. Aman, I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
No,
I
Aman.
wrote it on the chat box.
Wrong.
Ma'am, is it wrong?
Yes, it is wrong. Okay. See, it was very easy. 110 degrees.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
ma'am,
yes, yes,
I
yes,
think
yes,
so,
yes,
ma'am.
yes,
It
yes.
will be, ma'am, 60.
Yes. How you got 30?
Yes, ma'am. I got confused, ma'am. I thought 110 was inside here.
Huh. Okay, 50 plus x, right? You have to now find the value of x. So 110 degree plus, minus 50 degree. Yes, equals to x.
Ma'am, simply we can say that, ma'am,
Hmm.
when 110 degrees the outer one, ma'am, then the inside one will be 70 degree.
Huh.
180
You
minus
can't
110.
wait a
And
minute.
ma'am,
Huh?
then 50
Others
plus
will get
70,
confused. You
120.
have your own theory, but others will get confused. Wait.
Yes,
Because they
ma'am.
are using the simple trick. No? So of course you have see whenever you have to find something, you have to make it alone. So you will shift this number this side. So 110 minus 50 would give you 60. And
Ma'am,
this is
yes,
the
60.
value of x.
60, yes.
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 Everybody? Okay. Now let's just come to exercise 6.2. And you have abundance of question. And it is very easy. Like very easy, I would say. Have to do nothing. Huh. Okay. Here you go. Use the property. First one, I'm doing it for you people here. Okay. X would be equals to 50 degree plus 70 degree. And you have to write. So X would be adding then get the answer. Similarly, all the X will be like this only. So everybody quickly find the value of X. Okay. Yes to everyone. Using the exterior. This is the exterior. It will be addition of these two. Exterior
Ma'am, so
addition
that
of these.
x equals and then 50 plus 70.
Yes. Okay, Aman, do one thing today. Just share. You got the date sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just share it with the counselor.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
I'll do it.
Yes, after the class you can share.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's addition, right?
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, I finished.
Good. Hepzibah and Ananya correct. Okay, others finish? Anyone who's still doing? Minisha, Suleiman, are you people here in the class?
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Okay. Suleiman, you are there? Okay, okay. Are you doing this, Suleiman? Okay, okay. Finish it. I'll wait for 1 more minute quickly because I need answers from everybody. Okay, I hope now everybody has finished.
Ma'am, I'm in the fourth one going.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll wait. Quickly, quickly.
Ma'am, can we discuss the answer?
Okay, everybody has finished. Let's just quickly discuss the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So first one. Who will tell me? Minisha. First one is
120 degree.
yes, 120 degrees. Second one, Hepzibah. Hepzibah, you there? Okay, Hepzibah written in the chat box 110. Third one, Ananya.
70 degree.
Yes. Everybody got the 70 degrees. See, any question, if you people didn't get the answer, just let me know so that I can discuss that I can solve it.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next one, Suleiman. Fourth one. Suleiman, you there?
Okay, Rattle.
Yes.
My max will be 120.
Yes. Everybody got 120 degrees?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Rida.
100 degrees.
Huh?
100 degrees.
Yes. 100 degree. Who is left now? Okay.
I'm only
Last one,
11.
Aman, you tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, X will be 90.
Yes. Okay. I hope everybody got this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to question number second. That of course we will be starting in the next one, but I'll just give you a hint. Okay. And you will just copy the first one for that. Okay. So every time, of course, this is a property, but not every time they will give spoon feed you, just add it and this. They usually ask you this type of question. Right? So in this type of question, over here you can see, of course, you will use a property. X.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Let me just explain it to everybody. It will be 115 equals to 50 plus x. Right? Because this is outside and these two added. So 115 degree minus 50 degree equals to x. Right? So you will simply subtract it and you will get the answer. So once you subtract 115 and 50, you got 65. Yes? The value of x is 65 degree. Okay, so everybody quickly copy this first one.
Then copying the question only. And we also have to make the diagram.
If you have a book with you, no need. But in case you didn't have, then you draw the diagram. And in the paper, whenever you get the question related to that, everybody need to draw the diagram. Okay, even in your schools also. Okay, because it's very difficult for teacher to go back to the question paper and then check it. If I will get my